Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing the Ugee Q6 Drawing Tablet. This is a brand new tablet, and let's open the box first and see what's inside. Okay, first we have the drawing tablet itself. It's still wrapped and unopened. Let's put it aside for now. Next, we have the pen. Let me open it one by one. We also have two books here, a quick guide and a warranty policy. Now let's take a look at the pen. Warning, do not twist off the pen cap, do not drop it from high. Okay. Oh, is this a button? Nope, it's not a button. So this pen doesn't have an eraser button, but it doesn't need to be charged. I'll put it here for now. Moving on, these are the pen nibs. These are used to replace the nib if it breaks or gets lost, and there are extra pen nibs for replacement. This tool is for removing the pen nibs when replacing them. It's like this. And lastly, we have an adapter from USB Type-C to USB Type-B. Let's set off this aside for now. Now let's open the drawing tablet. Okay, this is the drawing tablet. Let's take a look at all the buttons. This button is for mode switch. You don't press or rotate it, you push it up and down. There are 4 mode switch options. Then there are shortcut buttons for the computer, level 1 to 6. Here's the handwriting indicator LED, which will light up when drawing is in progress. Oh, and this is the USB Type-C port. Now let's take a look at the back. What's here? Oh, there's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Let's remove it for now. So this adapter is for smartphones with USB Type-B or the older USB series. Next up, we have the work area for drawing with this pen. However, since there's no screen on the tablet, what we draw here will appear on phones or computer screen. And finally, this is the pen holder, where you can place the pen beside the tablet when carrying it around. Oh, and one more thing. What does it say here? Please remove the protector before use. Oh, so there's a protector on it. It should be removed before using it. So that's the contents of the Ugee Q6 Drawing Tablet package. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and thank you Ugee for sending me this. Now I will try drawing on IBIS Pen X. Stay tuned for next video.